guys, what's up? Today we are going to be unboxing a Nezuko cosplay. And I'm actually really excited for this one because if you guys aren't really aware, if you haven't seen my previous like cosplay review videos, most of my cosplays come from Amazon. And I mean, all of the pieces come from Amazon. But today I actually ordered my wig from Arta Wigs and I'm really excited to be checking it out because I finally feel confident enough as a cosplayer working with wigs to get a higher end wig. So I'm excited to make this jump from, you know, like cheaper end $20 wigs to more higher quality stuff. But with that, let's get into the box and see what we got. So first off, we're gonna start off with the shoes. The shoes were from Amazon, and then just to let you guys know, I will have links to all the products in the description below, whether or not it's from Amazon. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm actually excited for the shoes because I have two pairs of shoes in here, because one pair is going to be for my boyfriend who is going to be cosplaying Zenitsu with me, which is super exciting. I can't wait to go out and cosplay with him because it'll be his first time cosplaying. And these look like the Nezuko ones, so those are the ones we'll be opening, and I will put the Zenitsu ones off to the side. But it does look like each pair of shoes came with its own pair of socks, which will be really exciting because I know with cosplays like these, when you have the Komodos and stuff like that, it's really important to have the proper footwear, proper socks. Like, you know, we want to be respectful of the culture, even if it is, you know, characters that we're cosplaying as. I'm also a little nervous to see how these fit because instead of having, you know, your traditional American shoe size, it had a measurement out. So like you measured your foot and it was so many millimeters. But yeah, these shoes, they had really high reviews. Like people said that they were super comfy, although I'm gonna have to wait to the try on to kind of make an opinion on that because they feel super stiff. I mean, they look really nice. The quality looks super nice. Oh, that pulls forward. I was like, that doesn't look like it's got a lot of room for my feet. But yeah, so these are what the shoes look like. I will show them off in the final try on, but they look really nice. They're supposed to be really comfy. I'll let you guys know how they feel when I have them on. Okay, next we're gonna be opening the box, and I'm doing all of the opening in front of you guys. Because honestly, it's my favorite part of doing an unboxing. Although I can't wait to like order a cute box cutter so you don't see like this industrial looking thing. I swear it looks just like the ones at every mall store that I've ever worked at. Okay, I love it when they give you a giant box for like a not so giant item. Oh, I might be a little disappointed in one of the items. If you can kind of see here, the muzzle that she has, it doesn't look like it's made out of any kind of plastic. It actually looks like it's made out of fabric, but we'll see. There's actually a couple different things I'm nervous about, like as a plus size cosplayer when buying this. One of them being the legs. Oh, these look super nice and they feel super stretchy. I actually was just about to say, one of the things that makes me nervous is I kind of have thick calves, so I'm nervous about this fitting because it kind of looks small. Like, that's my arm, that's the calf thingy, but it feels super stretchy. So again, this is going to be something that I'll have to have an opinion on once I try it on, but it does come with two of them. They do look like they're decent quality. They feel super soft too. Like they're nice and plush. Let's see if I can, yeah. The muzzle is definitely not plastic. Not the biggest deal in the world. I mean, I kind of wanted to try 3D printing eventually anyway, so maybe this will expedite that process for me making my own. But yeah, so if you were hoping for a plastic one, probably not going to get it with this order. I mean, it still doesn't look too terrible. Like, it looks decent enough, and then it's got the ribbon so you don't have to bite onto it. You know, we've got a clip-on bow, which I'm glad this is a clip-on because tying bows is a pain. There's the string for the wrap around you. Oh, it came with two bows. I'm gonna have to remember what Nezuko looks like. Oh, they're two different styles. So you've got one that has the pattern and one that's plain. I don't remember off the top of my head which one she has, which I probably should have before I started this video. And then this is the main kimono, which it feels decent, like material. I don't think it's supposed to be stretchy, so it doesn't have a lot of stretch, although there is an opening in the arms. I don't know much about kimono, so I don't know if that's accurate or not. but the over top piece looks really nice. This is the belt out of box. Again, super nice. I mean, the price for the quality, I'm cool with it. Like, it's a good quality for the price. And then I believe this is her under, whatever goes under the kimono. I can't think of the name. The underdress, which, pulling it out, just looks like one giant thing of black fabric. Okay, but there we go. There's the black piece that goes to it, and then I will be putting it on real quick to show you guys the final thing. Sorry, pulling that out of the box was a little bit messy. And that's cool. And it comes with some clear straps, so that's fun. If you need clear straps with this, they got you covered. All right. Actually, I was about to like skip over the wig. All right, now onto the wig. This is the part I'm most excited about. This is the only non-Amazon item, and I'm not really familiar with higher quality wigs. I'm gonna do my best to like show you guys in camera and then on my head. Probably should not be waving a knife around, but to show you guys what it looks like. I will say one thing I was super impressed with Arda is that I ordered this wig, I believe Thursday. Would have been Thursday at the earliest. It came the next Monday evening, which is super crazy because I didn't pay for any sort of expedited shipping, anything like that. I was just super happy with it. I will say though, if you are going to be ordering from a company like that, like around Halloween time, I would say anytime after August. So like September, October, I would expect delayed shipping time. Probably the same thing when it comes to, ooh, that's a pretty color. Sorry, I just really like how well that gradiates, because again, I have a ton of Amazon wigs, but again, I don't have the highest expectation when it comes to them. Like, I will say, my bottom line when it comes, or not my bottom line, my red flag for Amazon wigs is if they are too cheap, because that is a thing. I've bought a $10 wig off of Amazon. It was not pretty and it was a little horrific, but wow, this girl, she be thick. Okay, so this is the top. I have my hand in it. You can see my thumb poking out, but like the rest of my hand, like if I hold my palm up, you can't see the wefts, you can't see my hand, and the gradient is so nice. And I just love how soft the curls are. It's so pretty. I don't know if this is a lace front wig. That's something I'm gonna have to look up and let you guys know in the description, because again, I'm so used to cheap Amazon wigs. Like, I don't even actually know. I don't believe this is a lace front because it doesn't have that thing you cut off. But I mean, it's still a really nice looking wig. The curls are so pretty. The gradients, it gradiates so well. I can't wait to throw this on. All right, I'm gonna go get dressed real quick. All right, and here we have the final fit. I gotta say, I'm actually really quite impressed with how it looked and how it turned out. The wig's my favorite part. I'm absolutely in love with this wig. It was a little bit pricier than what I normally do, but I will say this wig was totally worth it. But trying to throw this on real quick, there's definitely a couple recommendations I would make when getting into this cosplay. The biggest thing I would recommend is practicing it, because there's actually like a really specific way you're supposed to wear kimonos, and like I feel like I don't have the neck down. I will say this belt, I don't know if it's just because like I'm not wearing it right, but even though I ordered a size up than I normally do, and I did this on purpose because I've noticed that with Amazon cosplays, even if there is a size chart and even if you follow the size chart, they tend to be a little too snug. And so kind of to, you know, compensate for that, I did actually order a size larger than I normally would. So I'm about a US 18. This is the 3XL from the listing. I'm going to link down in the description below. But the belt feels a little tight, and I'm not sure if it's just that I'm not wearing it high enough. Because I'm not sure if it's supposed to go like right under my chest or if it's supposed to like center on my waistline, but I'm getting a mixture of like the bottom of it curling up with the fact that I don't even actually have it velcroed the entire way. I have it kind of velcroed towards the ends because I knew that the black piece went over top to kind of cover that. And so, you know, that's an option if it's too snug for you, or you know, you can always like add extra fabric and again cover it with the black cover. But I gotta say, you know, value value is definitely there. For what I paid for this, this is, you know, right with my expectations. I think this is a good quality cosplay. I would recommend it to anybody. Let me know what you guys think. Give me a comment below. What do you guys think of this? Or, you know, if you have any links to videos that can help me figure out how to properly put on a kimono, because even like this doesn't, like, as an American, this doesn't feel like a lot of skin, but trying to be, you know, aware of cultural customs, like, I just feel like this is too much. But yeah, if you're gonna get this and if you're gonna wear this out, I definitely recommend trying it on, making sure that you're confident in how it fits, because even right now, even if I wasn't worried about the amount of skin I was showing, I'm not even confident that it's tied properly and how I'm currently wearing it. Like, if this thing blew open, like, you'd see everything. So another thing I would recommend, make sure that you have adequate coverage underneath it. I know it's traditional to kind of wear like slips or something under it if you're comfortable. But I would definitely recommend that, especially like if you're not, you know, confident that it's secured down. Better safe than sorry. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this review, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it, because I love bringing you guys reviews. Reviewing cosplays is one of my absolute favorite things to do, and I hope I get to see you guys for the next one.